Creating a Squadcast notification handler in Hydrozen.io. In your Squadcast dashboard, click on Services. Select the service you want to integrate with Hydrozen. Click on the Add button in the Alert Sources section. Search for Hydrozen. Click on the Hydrozen.io tile. Click on Add Alert Source button from the sidebar. It will get added. Click on the Copy button next to the webhook URL. After copying, go to your Hydrozen.io account. Go to Notification Handlers menu on your Hydrozen.io dashboard. Click on the Create Notification Handler button. Enter a name for the notification handler. Example, TextPro.xyz, Squadcast alerts. Then select the notification type as Squadcast. Then paste the Squadcast webhook URL that we copied earlier. Click on the Create button. The Squadcast notification handler is successfully created. Now we can use this Squadcast notification handler on the monitors for creating incidents in Squadcast.